Today, you'll learn one of the most important reading skills in English: finding the main idea. Once you master this skill, reading becomes faster, easier, and much more enjoyable. Let's begin. Part 1. What is the main idea? The main idea is the most important point the writer wants you to understand. Think of it as the heart of the paragraph. Everything else in the paragraph supports, explains, or gives examples of that one important idea. Imagine a tree. The trunk is the main idea. The branches are supporting details. The leaves are examples. Without the trunk, the tree cannot stand. Without the main idea, the paragraph has no clear message. Part 2. Main idea versus supporting details. Let's understand the difference. The main idea tells us what the whole paragraph is about. The supporting details give more information about the main idea. Let's look at an example. Paragraph. Emma loves gardening. She waters her flowers every morning. She plants vegetables every spring. She even grows beautiful roses. Question. What is the main idea? The answer is: Emma loves gardening. Why? Because every other sentence tells us something about her gardening. They all support the first sentence. Another example. Paragraph. Elephants are the largest land animals. They can weigh several thousand kilograms. They have long trunks. Their ears help them stay cool. Main idea. Elephants are the largest land animals. The other sentences describe elephants. They give extra information. Part 3. Where can you find the main idea? Many students think the main idea is always the first sentence. Actually, it can appear in different places. Let's learn them one by one. A. At the beginning. This is the most common. Example. Reading every day improves your English. It increases vocabulary. It helps grammar. It makes reading easier. Main idea. Reading every day improves your English. Everything else explains why. B. At the end. Sometimes the writer gives examples first. Example. Lena exercises every morning. She eats healthy food. She sleeps 8 hours every night. She has a healthy lifestyle. Main idea. She has a healthy lifestyle. The previous sentences are examples. C. In the middle. Sometimes the writer starts with an introduction. Example. Many students feel nervous before exams. However, good preparation reduces stress. Studying regularly builds confidence. Main idea. Good preparation reduces stress. The other sentences relate to that idea. D. Implied main idea. Sometimes the writer never says it directly. You have to think. Example. Tom packed sunscreen. He wore sunglasses. He brought a beach towel. He swam all afternoon. What is the main idea? The writer never says it. But we know. Tom spent the day at the beach. This is called an implied main idea. Part 4. 5 easy steps to find the main idea. Step 1. Read the entire paragraph. Don't stop after one sentence. Read everything first. Step 2. Ask yourself, what is this paragraph mostly about? Not one sentence. The whole paragraph. Step 3. Ignore small details. Names. Numbers. Dates. Examples. These usually support the main idea. Step 4. Look for repeated words or repeated ideas. Example. Dogs. Puppies. Pets. Animals. These words all point to one topic. The paragraph is probably about dogs or pets. Step 5. Say the main idea in one simple sentence. If one sentence covers the whole paragraph, You probably found the correct answer. Part 5. Example 1. Read this paragraph. Sarah enjoys cooking. She tries new recipes every weekend. She watches cooking videos online. Her family loves her homemade meals. Question. What is the main idea? Let's think. Sentence 1 says Sarah enjoys cooking. The other sentences explain her cooking activities. Answer. Sarah enjoys cooking. Part 6. Example 2. Read carefully. Many people ride bicycles to work. Cycling saves money. It reduces pollution. It also improves health. Question. What is the main idea? Let's check. Saving money. Reducing pollution. Improving health. These are all benefits. Answer. Many people ride bicycles to work. Or. Cycling has many benefits. Both express the central idea, depending on the question. Part 7. Example 3. Read this paragraph. The library is a wonderful place to study. It is quiet. It has many books. Students can use computers. Many people enjoy reading there. Question. Main idea? Answer. The library is a wonderful place to study. Everything supports that statement. Part 8. Common mistakes. Mistake 1. Choosing only one detail. Example. She waters flowers every morning. This is only one detail. It is not the main idea. Mistake 2. Choosing something too broad. Example. Plants. That is too general. The paragraph talks about gardening. Not all plants. Mistake 3. Choosing something unrelated. Always ask. Do all the sentences support my answer? If not, it's probably incorrect. Part 9. Quick strategy. Whenever you read, remember these 3 questions. 1. What is the paragraph about? 2. What idea connects every sentence? 3. Which sentence covers everything? If one sentence explains the whole paragraph, that's your main idea. Mini quiz. Question 1. Read the paragraph. Lisa loves reading books. She visits the library every Saturday. She borrows 2 books each week. She enjoys reading before bed. What is the main idea? A. Lisa visits the library. B. Lisa loves reading books. C. Lisa reads before bed. D. Lisa borrows books. Answer, B. Explanation. Every sentence supports the idea that Lisa enjoys reading. Question 2. Birds have feathers. Most birds can fly. Many build nests. Some migrate every year. What is the main idea? A. Birds have feathers. B. Birds build nests. C. Birds have many characteristics. D. Birds migrate. Answer, C. Explanation. The paragraph gives several facts about birds. The best summary is that birds have many characteristics. Question 3. David practices the piano every day. He learns new songs. He performs at school concerts. His teacher says he is improving. What is the main idea? A. David practices the piano. B. David performs at school. C. David has a teacher. D. David learns songs. Answer, A. Explanation. The other sentences explain the results of David's regular piano practice. Question 4. People should drink enough water. Water keeps the body healthy. It helps control body temperature. It also improves digestion. What is the main idea? A. Water improves digestion. B. Water controls temperature. C. People should drink enough water. D. Healthy people drink water. Answer, C. Explanation. The other sentences give reasons why drinking enough water is important. Question 5. Tom packed a tent. He brought sleeping bags. He cooked over a campfire. He watched the stars at night. What is the implied main idea? A. Tom went shopping. B. Tom went camping. C. Tom visited a hotel. D. Tom went hiking. Answer, B. Explanation. The writer never says camping, but all the details clearly suggest it. Review. Today you learned what the main idea is, the difference between the main idea and supporting details, where the main idea can appear, how to find it in 5 simple steps, common mistakes to avoid, how to answer main idea questions confidently. Remember, the main idea is the most important message of the paragraph. Everything else supports it. The more you practice, the easier reading becomes. If this lesson helped you become a better English reader, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new lesson. See you in the next lesson.